Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bagas Kurniawan. Here I will explain about invisible meaning, context, and basis. Invisible meaning, the study of the meaning about of linguistic expression about as opposite to their sound, spelling, and of course, meaning is notoriously vague and ambiguous, or how we recognize what is mean even when it is not spoken or written. For that to happen, the speaker or writer must be able to rely on many self assumption and expectation when they try to communicate. And investigation into those assumptions and expression give us some insight to how more is communicated than is said. According by Charles Sanders Peirce, invisible meaning introduces the concept of semiotic, which studies sign their interpretation. He explored the distinction between the signifier and signified and reference empathy in the interpretative nature of invisible meaning. And then example based on the meaning of each word in the sign meaning, the meaning of the whole sign meaning, and then the place where the sign was found, physical contact, and then the chronology of the word evidence contact. We will understand that number one, it is not logical to think that the sign of advertising a place where you can park attendant and hear him up, and then it's a place where you can park your car, although the word car is not mentioned. Number three, this park carries in here. Four, there is an attendant who will take care of your car. Is the contact. Contact is must be the case that we use the meaning of the word, the context in which they occur. When some people exciting knowledge of what will be likely message as we work toward a reasonable interpretation. What the producer of the sign intended that it convey or interpretation of the meaning of the sign is not based solely on the word, but on what we think the writer is intended to communicate. According by Charles Sanders Peirce, about context is introduce the concept of indexicality to describe how meaning is dependent on the context in which signs are used. Indexical signs refer to objects or even based on their contextual relationship. For example, consider the word bank. And the context is river bank. It is refer to the land along the edge of a river. However, in the context of financial institution, it refer to organization that hold and manage money. Text of a word, it is the set of other words used in the same phrase or sentence. If if the word bank is used with other words like step or overground, we have no problem deciding which type of bank it's mean. Or when someone say that she has to get the bank to withdraw some cash, the contact tell us which type of bank is intended. And then daisies. Daisies, according to Yule, defines that daisies is a form of designation that is tied to the contact of the speaker, with the most basic meaning. And then the difference between deictic expression being the speaker is near versus far from the speaker, in English proximal or near speaker are this, here, now. And then the term distal or far from the speaker is that, there, and then. Basis is a linguistic term used in semantic to refer to the phenomenon where the interpretation of the certain word or phrase depends on the context in which they are uttered. And then it involves the use of deictic expression which are word or phrase whose meaning released on the speaker, location, the time of utterance, or the participant involved in the conversation. Then daisies from other experts. Number one, Fillmore. Daisies is pragmatic phenomenon where the interpretation of words like this and that depend of the situational context. And then according by Lyon, daisies involves the use of indexical expressions such as here and now, which refer to the time, place, and participant in or speak at. And then number three, according by definition, about deictic element play a crucial role in grounding the meaning of the language in the speaker and listener share context. Number four, by Buchler, daisy is a fundamental aspect of language, providing a mean for speaker to refer to element in the context and establish temporal, spatial, and personal relationship. And then about recording by Carr, deictic expression like I, you, and here enable speaker to orient themselves in the conversation and establish a shared perspective with the listener. And then example from this is for example, what is the meaning of you will have to bring it back tomorrow because she is here today? Out of context, the sentence is really vague. It contains a larger number of expressions. You are it tomorrow. She here today. That rely on knowledge of the local context for their interpretation. In context, we are expected to understand that the delivery driver you will have to return on February 40 tomorrow to 1990 collect drive here with the long box it labeled followers in handle with care address to Lisa Laundry C. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.